I wanted to finally get this video made and out because I'm pretty excited about this. About 2 months ago, we were searching online for some non-surgical options for my dad's knee issues. He's completely refusing to have knee replacement. In the process of searching, we found an amazing platform that helped us get connected to a regenerative therapy location about an hour from where my parents live. And oh my gosh, it was the best experience ever. My dad has been so excited about his results, and especially since it was the absolute best price we encountered in the whole process. Here's the real kicker, and this is why I'm really so excited. My dad shared it with my uncle, who was having shoulder issues from an old sports injury, and so he got a therapy too, a couple weeks later. I had forgotten that when I signed up for the free account for information initially, I was automatically put into their referral program. And a couple days ago, I about fainted because they sent me $2,000 in referral commissions. $1,000 from my dad and another $1,000 from my uncle Scott. I contacted them and all they would say was, "Thank you. Thank you for being willing to help people learn about their wellness options. OMG." Now I am telling everyone about this. First, because of the great results. And second, because in this economy, who couldn't use it, right? And all from helping people I love get well. And anybody can do it. Check it out in the link below.